Joining us now, Danny Cevallos, a criminal defense attorney and legal analyst for NBC News. Danny, Greenberg's already been cooperating. What more could be in this plea deal that would add in the case against Gates?
Cooperation is usually a bad sign for anyone's friends who may have been involved. But this has been a long, drawn-out process, not unusual for the feds. It will usually culminate in a plea agreement. And pursuant to that plea agreement, normally cooperators agree to assist the federal government in going after whatever bigger fish the federal government wants to go after. But the feds would be wise here not to rely completely on Gates. After all, they indicted him for a bunch of crimes that show that maybe he may not be the most credible witness. So you can expect that that Greenberg has provided documents and other information that will help the government in a way beyond just using Greenberg himself, because, as I said, he's going to have some credibility problems.
Yeah, the attorney for Gates points out that the original charges against Greenberg, including fabricating evidence, making up allegations, does that in any way affect him as a credible witness?
Oh, all the allegations in all of the indictments, the latest superseding indictment against Greenberg, are all things that a defense attorney will use to sharpen their blades as they go after him if he ever becomes a witness that they have to cross-examine at a trial. So in this case, the feds have a potential cooperating witness, and this happens all the time, who has horrible credibility issues. But the real question is, what data, what documents, what evidence can they lead the government to strengthen their case against the people higher up on the chain of command that they really want to go after?
Would you imagine a change in strategy is in store from the Gates camp, or at this point, have they basically been, has their position hardened given where they've been so far?
It's going to be wait and see, because there just isn't enough information for a defense attorney to make a major command decision just based on the fact that you have a change of plea hearing. It'll be the information that comes out after that. And whether or not there is a charging instrument or an indictment filed, that's the time to start reconsidering your options. But for now, defense counsel for Gates are likely to just wait and see what happens next, watch, listen, and try to learn everything they can about something before it happens.
Thank you very much, Danny Cevallos.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.